Hello and welcome to the Tigrepup Beauty channel. I'm Tigrepup, and in this video I'm going to show you how to towel dry your wig. Okay, so we've already shampooed and conditioned our wig, and now it's time to towel dry. You will need a clean, dry towel that you don't mind getting stained. Okay, so before we begin, are you familiar with Little Debbie's Swiss rolls? Okay, so they have that little swirly thing in the center, so it's like rolled up, and that's exactly what we're going to attempt to do while we're trying to dry our wig. Okay, so how we're going to do this is we're going to have our wig in one hand and a towel in the other and pair them up together like so. And then we're going to apply the wig towel combo to our belly, and we're going to gently roll the wig into the towel. Now what this is going to do is help absorb a lot of the water that's in the cap and the hair at the same time. And after we do this, we're just going to bundle this up and let it sit for I would say over like 30 minutes. Okay, so here's a close-up of our finished product. It kind of reminds me of a tortellini or whatever that thing is called, like the pasta. But anyway, here are a couple of the wigs I have drying, and like I said, we let it sit for over 30 minutes. And this completes my video on how to towel dry your wig. Please join me in the next video, which is part 4, cleanup. Thanks for watching.